We're here at the One-to-One Mining Investment Conference in Cape Town. Now, for those who might not have heard of the company before, can you give us an introduction to Sarama Resources?
Yes, Sarama Resources is a Australian-based, Canadian-listed, African-focused gold explorer and developer. We operate in West Africa, and our primary assets are in Burkina Faso, and we've got one asset that's late-stage exploration, pre-development, and another early-stage asset that looks very, very attractive.
So talk us through your plans for 2020.
Yeah, the plans for 2020, we're expecting a fairly big year this year. We've got some exploration drilling to close out. We've just put out some results on that. Best results we got were about 8 at 18 grams a tonne, so we're pretty happy with that. We need to finish that work off. We've got about $3 million worth of drilling to do. Then we'll do a resource update, option study, and then crystallise that into a PEA over the next 12 months.
And what's the key messages you're trying to get across to investors here at One-to-One?
I think the key message is for investors here that Sarama is a company that's got a lot of optionality. We're very, very good value at the moment. The jurisdiction we work in has obviously had a few issues in the last 12 months, but I think it's very important that investors understand the granularity. There's parts of the country that are good to work in. It's a very big country. We sit in the southwest of the country, so it's, ensuring people understand the granularity of that. And then I think understanding the optionality that sits within Sarama. We've got almost 3 million ounces on the books. We're surrounded by Teranga and Semafo. We're obviously a good bolt-on to either of them, and we've also got a standalone project. So I think it's getting people to understand the option value that sits within the company, our leverage to the gold price, the strategic value of our assets to other people, and the fact that we're heading down the path to push something into development.
And do you think the market will support you in 2020?
I think the market will support us in 2020. I think we'll have a bit of a slow start, but I think as the market fully appreciates what we're doing and where we're at, I think it will support us, yes.
And how have you found the One-to-One conference?
As ever, the One-to-One conference is fantastic. The staff have been brilliant, and we're very pleased with the weather in Cape Town. It's not too hot, not too cold, but more importantly, the quality of investors and people that we've spoken to here are very high.
Fantastic, thank you very much.
Thank you.